Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. Cash flow statement according to Indian Accounting Standard. That introduction we have completed in the last class. Today we'll start the problems as per the cash flow statement. Now today's class will see only short problems, how to calculate cash from operations. Cash from operations, where do you get? From the adjusted profit and loss account. If only few information is given, a little information is given, from that how do we calculate cash from operations? That we'll see, and next class we'll work out cash flow statement as per the direct method. Indirect method already I taught you in management accounting playlist, you can check it out. Indirect method there I covered. Now as per the accounting standards, direct method, we'll start problems tomorrow. Next class we'll see today only the short problems related to the cash from operations. How do we calculate? Now two problems I have taken. First problem I'll explain, after that you can give a pause and you can work out, you can try at least second one. Now let's focus on the first problem. Calculate cash from operations. Cash from operations means simple logic, you remember. How do I get cash from operation? From income minus expenses. Income minus expenses will be cash from operations in simple logic. Now what is given to us here? Few information is given. One is purchases, sales, expenses, creditors at the beginning of the year and creditors at the end of the year. Here what is income? Sales is an income. And expenses, purchases, both are expenses. Income minus expenses will be cash from operations. Now sales, only one information is given, that is 2 lakh. For purchases 1,50,000 is given, and also creditors. Creditors means which are related to the purchases only. Do you know that? Debtors means related to the sales. Now related to the purchases, opening creditors, closing creditors, both are given. In such case, how do you work out? Simple, you'll take one formula. So the formula can be cash from operations is equal to cash sales minus cash purchases plus operating expenses. Cash sales minus cash purchases plus operating expenses. These two we are going to deduct from the sales. Income minus expenses. These two are expenses. We are going to deduct. Now before going to that, you must calculate cash purchases. Though cash purchases are given, like 50,000. That's not the entire amount, because we know the creditors are there which are related to the purchases. So that is why you need to calculate the cash purchases. For cash purchases is equal to total purchases plus opening creditors minus closing creditors. So that you'll get the cash purchases. Total purchases is how much? Did you understand cash purchases, how we are calculating? Total purchases, given purchases we are taking, to the given purchases opening creditors will add, closing creditors will deduct. So total purchases given to us 1,50,000 plus opening creditors 30,000 minus closing creditors. Closing creditors are 40,000. So how much you get? 1,80,000. This is 1,50,000 plus 30, 1,80,000. 1,80,000 minus 40, it comes to 1,40,000. So this is cash purchases are 1,40,000. This amount is ready. Now you can go for the cash from operations. Now cash from operations is equal to cash sales. We have only one sales. If opening and closing debtors are given, we could have found like this only. But nothing is there. Only sales means cash sales only. So cash sales are here 2 lakh. Minus expenses. What expenses we have? Purchases, cash purchases. Actual purchases, total purchases are this. We found cash purchases 1,40,000. 1,40,000. If these two are not given, we could have considered this as cash purchases only. Whenever you find opening creditors and closing creditors, you have to find out like this. Okay. Now 1,40,000 cash purchases plus operating expenses. Operating expenses are how much? 20,000. 1,60,000. This is 1,60,000 means it comes to 2 lakh minus 1,60,000. This is 40,000. Cash from operations are 40,000. This is our final answer. Here you got cash purchases. Once if you got the cash purchases, implemented in the problem. Simple thing. Understand the logic. Need not to by heart anything. Now given information is this much. How to calculate the cash from operations? Cash from operations is income minus expenses. Income is here. I found only sales are income. Minus expenses. Expenses means purchases and expenses. Purchases we have opening and closing creditors. So we found it like this, cash purchases. This is total purchases minus opening or add opening and minus closing, so that you got the cash purchases. Cash purchases only we have to take. So that implemented in the formula, so you got cash from operations. In the same pattern, another problem. Understood? Copy down and try to work out. See the answer at the end of this problem. Pause the video and try to work out. Use your brain sometimes. Now, coming to the second problem. The second problem is also like this only. What is given to us? You have to calculate cash from operations. Given to us purchases, sales, expenses. Same like that. Purchases, sales, expenses. But here debtors at the beginning of the year, debtors at the end of the year given. There we were given creditors at the beginning, creditors at the ending. Now here debtors are given. It means there we have done cash purchases. Here we are going to do the cash sales. Write the same formula. Cash from operations. Solution. Same formula you'll write. Cash from operations. Should I write? Not required, I think. Or I'll write. Cash from operations. Cash sales minus cash purchases plus operating expenses. Here purchases are one thing. Only one information is given, that is cash purchases only. Now but sales we have opening and closing. So we have to find out the cash sales. Same like this. Cash sales is equal to total sales plus opening debtors minus closing debtors. Opening debtors minus closing debtors. Total sales are how much? 3 lakh. Opening debtors 45,000. Closing debtors 60,000. We'll use the calculator. 3,45,000 minus 60,000. 2,85,000 it is. Once if you get the cash sales, then we'll go for the cash from operations. Cash from operations. Cash from operations is equal to cash sales. Cash sales are here. How much you got just now? 2,85,000 minus cash sales are over cash purchases. Cash purchases are 2,25,000. Anything else? Expenses are also there. Add expenses 40,000. Simple income minus expenses. Purchases are expenses, expenses are anyhow expenses. So that we are doing it. 2,85,000 plus 2,65,000. It comes to 20,000. Or shall I write one more step? Minus 2,65,000. This comes to 40,000. 20,000, sorry. What is this 20,000? 20,000 is the cash from operations. Clear? Want to take screenshot? Yes, you can. Hope it is clear. Next class we'll work out cash flow statement. For that, 3 things you need to be thorough as per the format. Okay, that 3 things just recollect and come back. So stay connected. Don't forget to share these videos, and also please share these videos with everyone. Practice well. Good luck.